We're back, and today, very important day, very, very big day. See, and just make sure we start it off right. Got the sweet tea like usual, man. Make sure it's extra sweet today, just because it's gonna be an awesome day. As you can tell, we're gonna be installing an aftermarket on the Miata. So hopefully, it's gonna go pretty well. I know the location of it, and I know I gotta move the carpet and part of the trim on the side, and we'll probably just mock it up and just run the boost line, or the, not boost line, it's a pressure reference line, I think, something like that. Just go ahead and probably run it out the door and then around the hood. Have the hood open right here, just run it around, so like this, just to mock it up before we really start, before I actually mount it and everything. Just to make sure, one, that everything's working right, hooked it up right, because gotta put the carpet back over it and all that. So with that said, we'll just jump right into it today. Okay guys, we got to the ECU. It actually didn't take long as I thought it would. It took about, I think it was like 11 minutes or so. It's not bad, but just a little reminder in case you ever do like pretty much anytime you work on electrical on a car, ECU, just basic maintenance, anything electrical. Make sure you undo your battery, because you can have serious problems if you don't, especially when it comes to plugging in and out of like sensors, or especially an ECU or something. So just heads up. I went ahead and unplugged mine. Did the battery on mine real quick. Just job takes a few seconds. Just better do it now than have a headache later down the road. Anyways, I went ahead and got it all out. Here it is. It's hiding under here, the dash. There it was. 4 nuts and 1 bolt. The bolt was up in the corner. It has the most pain in the butt to get to, but not bad at all. I took this guy off right here. It just kind of sat right here. I didn't really need to do it. I did that so I can get the carpet back more, so you guys could see in here better. And then I had to take the panel off that goes right here. And all there was a little push pin back here. And then there was a pin in it. You just pry it out and you're good. So that's all it is. With that, in fact, we'll go ahead and get the ECU switched over, because I think all you do is unplug these two. I think it's the very left and very right plug on the ECU itself to plug that into. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, blowing through, let's see. Okay, let's see. Get the first 2 lights, the lights are on, so there it goes, feels nothing. Okay. I think something's right. Take the timing though. Okay guys, I changed a few things, so now we're good. Try to test start again. Temp number 2. Let's go, baby. Pretty good. Right. Here, back. Get your bar. Get it! It started! Well, guys, started. That's all that matters. I'll probably end the video here because I gotta figure out. I'm trying to get my laptop connected to it to try to see. Don't really. It's not coming up right. Like registration for the license is messed up a little bit, so I gotta figure that. Probably have to email DIYAutotune.com or whatever it is. But I'll try to get that figured out for next video. Hopefully next video we'll be driving the car around. So yeah, but it started. That's all that matters. So if you like the video, like, subscribe, comment, share, whatever. It's always appreciated. And I've been using my phone, but I decided the second I get 15 likes on a video, I'm gonna buy a GoPro. So if you want to see GoPro, like the video. Well, you guys have a good one, and Happy New Year, man.